So here we are for another derivation for irreversible trimolecular type or third order reactions. So we still have this one. Again, the equation that you'll be using is this. Given that um, the initial concentrations for A, B, and D are given, and also the time or the reaction rate. Also the final concentrations. So in Levenspiel, it said that if CDO is much larger than CaO-CbO, the reaction becomes second order and the equation reduces to, so it reduces to this equation. So it will follow a second order reaction. Why is that? That is because, say for example, we start with CDO. Start with CDO that is very, 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 very much larger than CaO and CbO combined. So we start with that. Copy na lang ako ni. So imagine that is very large. So if a very large CDO is subtracted with a very small CaO, so murag wala lang. It would stay as CDO. So with that, mag-cancel lang ni siya. So CD would just become, or is just equals to CDO. Meaning, wala siya effect sa reaction. So therefore, A and B lang ang mag-react with each other. And then, pag A and B lang, so we are left with this type of chemical reaction. And as you all know, this type of chemical reaction is a second order type bimolecular, and then um we already we've already derived the equation for that, and that is this one in the previous videos. So yeah, so another type of a trimolecular third order reaction is this. We have A plus 2B forming to R. Trimolecular po na siya is because we have R as a product. So we have A, B, and R. So siya is we just considered products as wala siya labot. So although in a sense dili, pero we just didn't consider it at the time. So this time we will be considering it. But for the reaction rate equation, it would still be for negative RA. For negative RA, it's still negative d Ca over dt is equals to k c c a and c CB, pero ang B naka-squared because nasa 2 as a coefficient. Unless ngayon siya first order with respect to B, so CB lang siya. Pero since wala man, and then this is considered as a trimolecular, third order pa jud. So we consider 2B. So sa reactants lang man magbase ang total order of reaction. So third order. So pasabot 2 must be in the exponent para we have 1 plus 2 mag-equal siya sa 3. So with that, since we have CA and CB as our coefficients, so we need to do again ABCA table. ABCA table before change after of A to B and R. So at the start we have this, and for R we have RO. And then for the change, again, if we assume that A is our limiting reactant, so negative CaOXA, negative C2, okay, maapektuhan man siya sa number of moles, di ba? If you remember in your analytical chemistry, so maapektuhan ang iyang change by the factor or sa iyang stoichiometry, by its stoichiometric coefficient, so multiply na siya 2. And here, since it is a product, so it should be positive. Ma-form man siya, ma-form. So for this one, we have that. For this one, we have that. But minus 2. And then for this one, we have plus. There you go. So this is all equal to this. And 2 etc. And then this one is CRO plus ROCR. Yeah. So we have these two equations. That we can substitute in our rate equation. And also, if you remember, again, CaO d dxa is equals to negative dCA. So substitute kaya po nato na siya para ang atong equation would be in terms of XA lang. And then for this one, we have this. Then again, some after further manipulation, so we have, pwede na to ipagawa si CAO. Copy, paste, cut. Then this would become 1 minus CAO, 1 minus XA, and then for this one, we could multiply CAO, pero CAO over CAO, pero naka-squared po siya, kaya naka-square man siya diri. So we have, after this, we have there you go. So natin anak. And then we can cancel one CAO. Cancel na natin. And this one can cancel both those two. So we are left with this, and then through separation of variables, we get pwede na to ipabilin si CAO squared dito sa pikas. Okay. So, wala na siya. And then, we could let, again, that's what we always do, m equals to this fraction. So, this would become m minus 2xa squared. So with that, we could use, by using partial fraction decomposition, we have three. We have a, or this plus b over this, and since repeated linear siya, so we have c's, and multiply that with c squared. I divide that by that. And so, by partial fraction decomposition, so we'll get 1 is equals to a times this one plus b times this one and 1 minus 6a plus c times this 1 minus xa. So what we do is again expand. 1 is equals to a m squared minus 4a m xa ano ba? Plus 4 a xa squared plus bm minus bm xa minus 2bxa plus 2bxa squared, then plus c minus c xa. So with isolation of the coefficients, so for xa squared we have 0 is equals to this one and this one. So we have 4a plus 2b, and then for xa we have 0 again is equals 0 is, sorry about that, this and this. So we have negative 4a m, of course, Langton cm or 4ma minus bm or mb minus 2b minus c. 4am bm 2b, yes, and then since negative sila tanan, what we could do is make that all positive. Yay. Be positive. And then lastly, for constants, where 1 is equals to ang nabilin, that and the c, that. So we have 1, so am square plus bm plus c. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's 9. So using all equations, solve for a, b, and c. So after solving simultaneously, so we get this values for the constants. So substituting all of this here, so we have that. Then this for b, so negative 2, a negative. Then for c is also negative. And then y to the xa. And all of this is equals to this. So we have that. Okay, then applying the integral for every term. Zero to t, 0 to xa, 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 0, 0, 0. So integrating. So after integration, we get this. For this term, we use ln. For this term, again, we use ln. So if you're wondering nawala ang 2, that is because the integrating factor of this is negative 1 half. Then naman siya positive because you multiply that with negative. So 1 half. And then for this one, what we use is the power formula. And then if you're wondering also, ano nawala ang 2 because of, again, the integrating factor. Ano? Not the integrating factor, rather the, I forgot the term. Um, something term, but not the integrating factor. Okay, and all of this with limit 0 to a. And for the other side, we have this with limits 0 to t. So before we begin simplifying, first we need to apply t limits. So upper limit minus lower limit, 1 minus 0, minus ln of n minus 2 times 0. There you go. So As we all know, ln of 1 minus 0 is ln of 1 and ln of 1 is 0. So this will just cancel out. And I believe my e1 is oh, right. And then for this would be 0. So yan. And then property of ln, we have for n, right? And then this one, walang m, so we have that. Yes, we have this. So simplify this. Pwede natin ipagawa cm minus 2 out of the bracket 1 over m minus 2, and we have this. So if we use GCD, we have for this one, multiply this one, right? Multiply that with m, multiply with this. Then for this one is that, and then here is m. Then combining this two, we have m minus 2xa, and then distributing the negative, so we have m minus m plus 2xa. So this 2m would cancel out, so we are left with 2xa. Pwede natin ipalabas si m out of the bracket, so we'll have m, 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 and then we will be, where's that, again substituting back the right value for m, which is CBO over CAO. For every m, we have that, and we have that, 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 and we have that. So we can do is minus 2 CAO siya minus 2 CAO. There we go. This one is minus 2xa. Forgot the CA. Minus 2 CAO minus 2 CAO 6a. Yay! So we have to cancel some, this one and this one. So paano lang siyang makancel? Set, cut, paste, cut, and then paste. And then, if you remember this, you can substitute it here. This is CB. So it becomes CB, and also this, it becomes CB. And then for the CAO squared, so as you can see here, naka-square siya. So what we could do is, since na-square na siya, na-square po ni siya, this one, squared, and then divide. So remember what we did earlier, kani siya. Applied this concept. That concept, so this is gonna become, it's still negative, so this is can, wait, cut, paste, same here, cut, paste, same here also, because CAO times CAO is just CAO squared. Cut, and then ang CAO squared would be transferred sa taas. You know where this is going. CAO squared. And then we can factor out that CAO squared, or just cancel them out. Canceling this because it appears in every term, and surprisingly we also have CAO squared on the other side of the equation. So we are left with, back with 1. And then we rearrange this, so CBO, applying the same concept earlier, paste, then the CAO appears sa taas, then the CAO squared will disappear. So in the Levenspiel book, the equation looks like this. So we just need to prove our derived equation to be equal to this. So it appears that these two have the same coefficients. So we could combine these two. We can combine. So but first, we need to multiply this one with need to multiply this one with that. And then the CBO here is there, and then we could multiply this with that para mahimo siyang CBO minus 2CAO squared. Okay, so after this, so this would become the same with all the coefficients. There you go. And then for this two, this one, cut, cut, paste, no, there. And then remember that this is equals to that. So this is equals to CA. And then if we combine these two, property of Ln, we can have, since minus ni siya, so we can have this divided by this, right? And then we have a positive there. So we can factor out this one out of the equation. Wala na siya. And then we are left with this. There you go. And then rearranging this, we have applying what we learned about multiplying fractions. So we have that. So we have this expression, and then this we could multiply it to the other side. So you have that. So it seems it becomes 2CAO minus CBO. So we could do is to just extract -1, but since naka-square siya, so -1 squared, it's just negative, still +1. So this is just, this would become like that. Parang wala lang. And our only problem is this. So it seems na-combine siya diri sa taas. Just do this. paste, copy and paste. There. So we have that. So if we extract -1, this would become that, right? Same dire. And then for this one, so if you remember, CB is equals to this. So if we try to multiply that here, so -2, so we have -2 minus CAO, yeah, is equals to CB minus CBO. So I found out where it, so this is supposed to be minus instead of positive. Okay, o negative si XA gana siya. So since negative na siya, so after partial fraction, so this will become a positive 2. So positive 2, so positive positive na siya dira. And then since that is positive, after integration, this would become negative, right? This also becomes negative. This also becomes negative. All of this is negative. Negative. This one is negative. This 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 will become negative. This is negative. This is negative. This is negative. This is negative. So back at it. So again, we extracted a -1 here. So -1 times -1 is positive, right? Positive. So, sorry, live po tayo. So negative, and then here, if you remember, CB is equal to CBO minus COXA. So if you manipulate that one, so we have CBO. This. So substituting this into this equation. So we have for this one, we will be instead using this. Thus, we have our equation that is the same with int 11. Yeah. This is m. This is when m is not equal to 2. Because pag m is equals to 2, this would be erroneous. This equation would be erroneous. So this is now our equation to be used. So what